me to unpack my stuff from college, right? So we see right.
Almost done packing. We leave tomorrow at 3:55 in the afternoon. So now I'm gonna get some rest and then we're off to South Africa. We're gonna grab some breakfast, almost ready to go to the airport. We are on our way to the airport. We have been planning this trip with Huli for months, so we're really excited. We have a 12-hour layover in London, and then we are headed to Cape Town, South Africa. Stay tuned. Made it to the gate. We have a 9-hour flight to London, a 12-hour layover, and then a 12-hour flight to Cape Town. Still a ways to go, but thanks for watching episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
We did it.
What are you put in your mouth?
It's a camera.
The camera?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you know where you're going then. You keep your
Just keep your memories. Caramba.